Hi, today I'm going to share with you some activities that you could do with an ESL student at the emergent level. So from my picture profile, I made some note cards. So I would simply go through these pictures and then have students repeat after me. So I would say bunny, sheep, frog, and just go through all of these animals. I would also ask the students, after going through it several times, if they have any of these animals and it, if they have seen any of these animals and where. The second activity I have is uh, which does not belong, but I did mine in reverse, so students would simply circle the animals. The next activity that I had in my lesson plan was a matching activity. So students would match the picture with the word. And the main activity that I had in my lesson was an animal bingo. So students would put a chip on the animal as it is called. And again, you could do this with any type of vocabulary as well. The matching and the which does not belong and the bingo could go with any type of vocabulary. So thanks for listening, and I hope that you're able to use this in your classroom.